there, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I will show you how to set up Giant Slash in WP Forms. Giant Slash create dynamic drop-downs where one field depends on another. In this tutorial, I will build a simple demo category model using 4 different data sources: manual, database, CSV file, and Google Sheets. Here's the example dataset we'll use. Section 1. Manual data source allows you to define all parent and child options directly inside the form builder. First, set up the parent category dropdown. Enter the label. Choose Manual as the data source. Enter the drop-down options. Next, set up the model field. Enter the label. Choose Manual as source. Now click Add Where to create condition. If phone equals 1, 1 is the category field ID. Enter the options. Click Add Where again to create another condition. If laptop equals 1, enter the options. Finally, add one more condition for tablet. If tablet equals 1, enter the options. Let's save and have a preview. Select phone. The model drop-down shows Pixel 6, iPhone 14. Select laptop. The model drop-down shows MacBook Air, Dell. Select tablet. The model drop-down shows only tablet models. Moving ahead, Section 2. Giant Slash using database table. In database mode, your Giant Slash options are loaded directly from a table inside your WordPress database. This is great when you have a large dataset or your data changes often. Now, let's connect the field to the database. Change the source to database. Enter the table name. Enter the column containing the values that will appear in the category drop-down. Next, create a model field. Under source, select database table. Enter the same database name. Enter the column containing the model values. Now we need to tell the plugin how to filter the models based on the selected category. At Where section, fill in the condition categories equals 3, ID of category field. This means show only database rows where the categories column matches the value selected in the category field. Now save and have a preview. When I choose phone, the model field only shows phone-related option. When I choose laptop, it updates automatically and displays only laptop models. And when I select tablet, the model field shows tablet option only. Next, go to section 3, Change Select using a CSV file. We need to prepare a CSV file with two columns, parent and value. Parent represents the category and value represents the model. Now let's configure the category field so the system knows how to match it with the CSV file. Under Source, select CSV file. Paste the CSV file path. Enter the column name containing the category values, categories. Next, configure the model field. Set the source to CSV file. Paste the same CSV file path. Enter the column name containing the model values model. Scroll down to the Where section to add the filter. Categories equals 3. This is the RD category field. This ensures that the model field only displays values that match the selected category. Save your form and test it on the front end. Select phone. The model field should show Pixel 6, iPhone 14, Galaxy S2022. Select laptop. The model field updates to MacBook Air, Dell ThinkPad. Select tablet. The model field displays other tablet models. Next, let's set up the Change Select using Google Sheets. Google Sheets works the same way as CSV, but instead of uploading a file, the data is loaded from a live web source. First, select a category field. Under Source, select Google Sheet. Now open your Google Sheet. Click Share and under General Access, set it to anyone with a link. Copy the share link and paste it into the file path field. Enter the column name that contains the category values, categories. Next, select the model field. Choose Google Sheets as data source. Paste the same Google Sheets link. Then enter the column name that contains the model values model. Now we need to tell the plugin how to filter models based on the selected category. Set the condition categories equals 3. Finally, save your form and test it on the front end. Select phone. The model field shows Pixel 6, iPhone 14, Galaxy S2022. Select laptop. Model field updates to MacBook Air, Dell ThinkPad. And that's how you can build Change Select fields in WP Forms using different data sources. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.